Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you all the beauty products that I use. We've got my favourite lipsticks. They're all drugstore, really affordable and edible, so you can eat them. Alright, let's go! Here we have a wild beetroot. You can lick off the dirt for like extra B12 and stuff. Then you can cut it, or you can just air apple. And as you can see, it's a beautiful deep purple colour. Oh shit. And then you just kind of gotta let it gets a bit dry sometimes, so you gotta squeeze the juices out of it. And you just kind of just put it on like, oh! Look, you can even use it as nail polish. It's like a French tip. So hot. Finished product.